everybody. I'm doing this on Patreon. Had some people subscribe over on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. This will be up on YouTube too. So I just want to kind of show you guys the garden and what we're doing. We got some zucchini here that's doing really good. We got some cucumbers that are doing pretty good. My cantaloupe is not doing very well. Neither is my watermelons, but we'll figure it out. Cherry tomatoes, these are doing okay. They just started flowering. My early girl tomatoes have started getting ready to start to flower. My lettuce is not doing too well. My bell peppers are, I think they're getting ready to start. And then my green beans they're doing okay. Whatever. And I got some basil, some cilantro, some shallots, onions, some dill, and some mint. With these garlics, what I did was I had a neighbor, he gave me some garlic out of his garden, and I planted a few of them. They should have been planted in October, but I planted these in March. But the shoots were very small, and they're growing pretty well. So we'll see what happens on the garlic, and when I got to harvest that, since I'm kind of off. But hey, start making your own food. Start growing your own food. The world's going crazy. The prices are going up. Yeah. So take care of each other. Be safe. You, your friends, and your family. Hope everybody's doing all right. Be safe. And take care of each other. Peace.